Hi Akshat, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
So Akshat,
Yes.
see, guys, we are at our farm, and Akshat,
Hey, it's my farm.
your farm. How can you say it's your farm?
It's my farm.
But it belongs to me,
Your farm is that one.
and this is your farm. Okay. Wait. Mosquito is biting me. So there are a lot of mosquitoes pestering me. Do they pester you too?
Nope.
They don't pester you.
No.
So are you one of them?
Because they're my mosquitoes.
Your mosquitoes.
Yes, so they don't pester me.
They don't pester you.
I ask those mosquitoes to pester other people.
Okay.
So
Now-
that's why they're pestering you.
Okay.
I told those mosquitoes to pester you.
Okay. So guys, here as you can see that I am at my farm, and I have come here to take some methi, some fenugreek. Okay. So here we have grown some fenugreek here. So I'm going to show you guys. So Akshat, see the fenugreek here. So you can see, guys, you can see the fenugreek. So I will, I will. You say. What we are going to do? What we are going to do? So we are going to pluck some fenugreek so that we can use aloo methi. Aloo methi ki sabji.
We are not going to pluck some fenugreek.
It's not fenugreek, it's fenugreek.
We are not going to pluck those fenugreek.
Greek.
Green.
Fenugreek.
Green.
Okay. So we will pluck this fenugreek later. First, let's go inside. My father is plucking some sanai ka phool. So there are a lot of stubs. So I'm collecting the stubs for the various vegetables, guys. Go. Because I'm not going to market. I'm thinking that I must collect some vegetables from my farm. Okay. So wait, baby. Since I have come here, I have not eaten the saag of sanai. क्या कहते हैं इसको? सनाई की सनाइल? सनाई. सनाई का फूल. So I have not taken. I have not had the saag of this. As you can see, these flowers. Sanai ka phool. Baby, don't do that. So Akshay, do you want to eat the saag of these flowers?
What does it taste like?
I have no idea. I haven't even had it.
पकौड़ा भी बनता है, साग भी बनता है.
Okay. So guys, see. So this is.
Excuse me, I have to tell you something.
Tell me.
Let's play a game.
Okay, I will play a game with you. So
But it's not bat ball, it's something else.
Okay, first let me talk to the viewers. So what is this?
But
Hey, Trichosanthes dioica. It's pointed gourd. It's pointed gourd. So guys, one time vegetable jugaad is sanai ka phool. So because I was feeling quite bored कि वही बैंगन और कद्दू और यही सब मिल रहा था, तो चलिए कुछ जुगाड़ है. केले का तो हो गया. सो अब ये सनई का फूल है, तो इसका जुगाड़ हो गया हमारे पास. और मेथी वहाँ पर है, तो एक टाइम सनई का फूल, एक टाइम मेथी आलू हो जाएगा. और उसके बाद तो फिर वही रेगुलर है. डैड वहाँ भी कुछ है, ये क्या है? घिउरा. आई सॉ समथिंग. देखिए ये मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग इट इन द मार्केट. सो गाइस देखिए, अभी ये छोटा है. इट्स क्वाइट बेबी. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस इज रिच गार्ड. ओके. और इट्स स्पॉन्ज गार्ड. आई थिंक स्पॉन्ज गार्ड.
sponge guards are not.
You don't come here. There would be a snake. Go. Okay. So और भी सनई का फूल लेंगे डैड,
हाँ, ले लेता हूँ.
क्योंकि साग जब बनेगा तो श्रिंक हो जाएगा ना. So we need so many flowers of सनई. और है देख सकते हैं, as you can see that there are so many plants. So my dad is collecting all the flowers. Okay. फिर मेथी तोड़ लेंगे डैड. मेथी.
हाँ, मेथी तोड़ेंगे.
Okay. So fine, sanai, aloo methi, and the regular one. As you can see, there is a bottle gourd, brinjal, cauliflower. ये तो रोज का ही हो गया है almost. और क्या बोलते हैं भिंडी, इस okra, lady finger. So guys, now it's turn to pluck some methi, some fenugreek. ये ऊपर ऊपर से निकालने हैं इसको?
करना नहीं।
अच्छा, ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट फेनुग्रीक लग रहा है, थोड़ा सा अलग है।
वही मेथी है, वहाँ उखाड़ के बेचता है।
अच्छा,
हम उखाड़ नहीं रहे हैं कि फिर इसमें कलर दे के फड़ेगा।
ओके
वो सब बेच लेता है।
ओके, सो जड़ से इसको नहीं उखाड़ रहे हैं। ओके, सो इट इज बीइंग प्लग्ड लाइक दिस हाफ।
Hello,
ओके,
Daddy.
इधर से हाथ घुसाना।
बहुत
Daddy.
कलेक्ट करना होगा, बहुत सारा।
Daddy,
हम्म
see here.
हम्म
Hello.
ओके,
What is your name?
so what are you doing here?
I have come to plug some vegetables.
Vegetables.
Hmm.
So which vegetable can you find here?
So many.
So many.
Yes.
So okay,
I is cutting some.
okay, you also want to cut
Yes, yes.
by yourself?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so hey, see some cauliflowers.
Yes.
Wait, what about this cauliflower?
What the?
Look at this one.
Mama, let's see. I want to plug it.
You wanna pluck?
Yes.
Okay, how will you do that? Come on, do. Yes, you can do it. Come on. You're not able to do? Not like this. Let me teach you. See. Okay, you have to twist it. Come, twist like this.
Okay.
Twist. Not able to do? Okay, let me teach you. Hey, just get the trowel from grandpa. Trowel which is in his hand, the tool.
Daddy.
So Akshat has gone to take the trowel so that he can get the experience of cutting this cauliflower. Trowel is called khurpi here. If you talk about Bihar, it is called khurpi. So you can use khurpi to cut it, or you can just twist it and pull it upward.
तोड़ लेता हूँ।
Okay, how will you use this? Okay, just do one thing. Let me put the camera here. See, what we are gonna do is, you're not looking? Wait.
Bye.
Okay, see. Do it like this. See. So, here we go. Now what you have to do
What?
is to cut it like this.
Cauliflower.
Sit down. Show the cauliflower to the viewers.
Yeah, la.
What is this, Akshat?
Cauliflower, and this leaves will be. Am I playing?
You will be playing with the leaves? Okay, go ahead. Hey, you have to collect the cauliflowers. Bring any bag. Go, get the bag. Where's the bag? कोई झोला थैला है?
हाँ, पहले एक जगह रखो। वहाँ रखो, ईंट पर।
Okay, wait. Keep it here.
हाँ, उसी पर
Keep it here.
उसी पर रखो।
Put this cauliflower here, baby.
मैं भिंडी तोड़ लेता हूँ।
Okay. You pluck. If you want to. No, not with the trowel. Just with your hands, baby.
Because that is easy.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Okay. Any brinjal, whichever you like. Any big one, not the small one. Go there.
Yeah, this one is still blossoming.
Yeah. Come.
Let me help it blossom.
It will blossom later on. Come, go there. See. I'm telling you. This one. Sit down. Don't fall down.
Why are you pushing me?
I'm not pushing you. It was by
You
mistake.
pushed me.
It was by mistake. See this. Okay. Now come on, pull it. Yes, you can do it. So, how is your experience? Lovely? You like it? You want to pluck more?
Yes.
It's lovely brinjal. Superb, huh? Lovely brinjal.
It's a red brinjal.
Hey Akshat, chilies. Look at here, look at here. Look at here. Wow, amazing. Amazing. See guys,
This one I'll pluck.
only one. Because who will eat chili? Do you want to eat chili?
No. Two came.
Two came.
I'll bring more.
Okay.
All for my playing.
For you playing?
Yes.
Okay. Come on, pluck. Okay. More? What is the color of this?
Purple looking and blue looking.
What have you done?
What?
I think you have broken this. Eh?
I have not.
है वजन से झुक
Okay, don't do this. Come.
वजन से झुक गया
So guys, as you can see, there are so many cauliflowers plant. Quite natural, organic cauliflower. तो इस बार अभी कोई और सब्जी का सीजन है डैड? कुछ और लगा? अब क्या लगेगा?
उसके बाद लगेगा भिंडी
अच्छा, तो भिंडी तो पहले से भी है.
पहले से भी है फिर लगेगा अभी तो पुराना हो गया
अच्छा, मतलब
और लेने के लिए आए।
अक्षत
साग
वेट.
लगेगा
ओके
हरा साग
ओके, अक्षत होल्ड.
और बोरो का क्या आता है बोरो लंबा लंबा फूल
ओके, बोरो.
बोरो
ओके.
को लगाएंगे
साग रेड भी होता है ना, लाल साग.
रेड भी होता है
लाल साग.
ग्रीन भी होता है
ओके
और उसके बाद मूली लगाएंगे
ओके. तो अभी मतलब कुछ दिनों में लग जाएगा ये.
हाँ लग जाएगा अभी गोभी खत्म हो रहा है इसी पर लगा दें
ओके, ठीक है. ये छोटे वाले भी हटाने. So guys, there are so many cauliflowers. My God, see, small here. Amazing. Hey, here too. Okay, and some bitter gourds also. Wow, beautiful. Actually, look at the bitter gourd.
But be careful.
Yes. So guys, you can see the collection here, the cauliflowers. I believe it must be more than 5 kg cauliflowers. And here you can see sunil. So we have cauliflower option for vegetable, maybe potato and cauliflower, maybe cauliflower ki bhujia. There are a lot of options. This is sunil for saag. This is fenugreek, methi. You can make aloo methi. And this is lady's finger. So this is also for vegetable or bhujia. This is bitter gourd. It can be used for bhujia, and these are brinjals. So this is all. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you guys. Take care.